In this video, I'm going to show you how to set a 200 EMA on MT5. Now to do this, it's super simple. You want to open up your chart, then you want to go to Navigator over here on the left. If you can see it, click on View and then Navigator over here, or press Ctrl and N on your keyboard for a shortcut. Now in here, you want to go to Indicators, and inside Indicators, you want to find the moving average. So you want to go to Trend over here, click on the arrow key next to Trend, and then here you want to find moving average. Double click on it to open it up, and there we go. It's gonna allow you to set parameters. Now in here where it says period, you simply want to change this from whatever number you have to 200, and that way you'll be able to basically set a 200 EMA over here on MT5. Okay, so the most important thing here is to set the period to 200, and you can change the shift if you want to. I'm going to leave it at 0, and of course over here you can also set it to exponential, because of course we're doing an EMA, which is the exponential moving average. So you can click on that, and then you can go ahead and basically apply to, and click on close, and then click on OK. Now that way you got yourself a 200 EMA on MT5. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.